It's red pepper.
Red pepper, everybody knows you're writing down, yes.
75 grams of red pepper. Doesn't matter you cut into cubes, julienne or roughly cut because we're going to puree them all. So the kind of cutting does not really
and red pepper so far
matter. About 150 grams of cucumber without seeds and skin. Cucumber basically brings in the fresh. You can otherwise if you can increase the cucumber. Instead of 200 grams, you can add 300 grams of cucumber. But orange and tomato, it's nice and tangy. The soup is much better.
If you don't have a glass, you can have a cup as well, you know, the small cup.
Espresso cups, you can use their coffee cups. So
espresso cup, and like cappuccino. You know, the black olives, you know. Just
no, that's the side of the glass, but
okay.
Just
on the down.
Dices of peppers and cucumbers.
Okay.
Whatever is a part of the soup, just to get the flavors.
And onions as well, if you want, you know.
Nice.
Diced peppers, you know, very nice, lovely, huh? Very fresh, you know, for the evening time, you know, nice. So,
Very nice.
Oh yeah, for summer is very popular.
Very
like
refreshing.
For summer time is, you know, electric blender.
Yeah, just start slow. Start slow, otherwise all your sugar will be out of the bowl. Once the sugar dissolves in the egg, you can increase the speed. Make sure the sugar completely the eggs will not froth up because the sugar is very heavy. Keep the eggs in place.
Well, you mix to it.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you much.
Thank you, Chef Gautham and Chef Michel and all of you for joining us today. See you next Wednesday and find out another new dish from chefs of Amarkat. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Today we introduce bruschetta. It's a dish, it's a vegetarian dish, and this was tomato bruschetta, mushroom bruschetta, vegetable bruschetta, and other kind of bruschetta as well. We have. So the first one was tomato with some garlic, basil, olive oil, peppers, and you can always as well use some cheese as well if you want. Parmesan cheese there. If you want to be more interesting, you can go with the blue cheese or the goat cheese for the bruschetta. The second one was the mushroom, roast mushroom bruschetta. And the third one was the mixed vegetables, zucchini, eggplant, broccoli. red pepper, yellow pepper, bruschetta, just to make it a bit interesting with the vegetable you have in it. So this was toast on the white bread and on the baguette as well. Baguette being toasted, oven, as well roasted with pesto. The second recipe, we did soup. Tomato soup. It was quite very interesting because summer's coming, so we use this soup every time. So we're using fresh tomato, bell pepper, some bread, some garlic, olive oil,
Ask Amrita to take out a thing, interview snap, because I will not upload it in the Flickr, right?
This dish has been studied for basically at home as well, so people can use it, but we prepare in advance without guests. If they want to do invite a couple of guests at home, you can prepare this in advance. So everything all bruschetta can get ready in the refrigerator. The soup can be ready flexible when guests come in, very recently presented to them. So it's very convenient and very easy to ready. All the ingredients is well available here in any supermarket. So something very, very simple and classic. Very low bruschetta in the restaurant. And a nice cold soup like this will be gazpacho soup. Very, very appreciated for during summertime. Yeah, all Toscano is available in Toscano.
Okay, yeah. Anyone?
No. Jean-Michel. Yeah, today we have a session of cooking class for very simple, from giving ingredients and market. So we did a selection of shell with tomatoes, the other one mushroom, and the other one is vegetables. So you can always, very, very simple roast baguette with the vegetables, and we do some tomatoes, garlic, olive oil. You can add it with some cheese on the top, blue cheese or goat cheese or Parmesan cheese. And the other one it was a soup as well, a cold soup. We can do at home as well. And can prepare in advance. This is what is important. Anybody can prepare this recipe in advance. So it's fresh ingredient, olive oil, it's Norway, so it's very, very all vegetables fresh.
That's
definitely
appreciated. And most of them, they don't know how to make. If you want to have a brownie, you always look for a guest. You want to go to a cafe coffee day, you want to go to a restaurant. People make pound cakes, people make Christmas cakes at home. Nobody tries a brownie because they always think brownie is very difficult.
You know the flavor inside.
That's why we thought we should make it more accessible. Make it woman friendly.
So this is where easily
avoid water when you have chocolate or flour very, very carefully. That's the most important thing. Gautham.